The moment we've all been waiting for. The August Bling Box. Let's take a look inside. Your Be Createful Bling Box is here. What's included? A beautiful rhinestone color palette that includes SS20 Crystal, Crystal AB, and Jet Black. SS6 Crystal, Crystal AB, Jet Black, Dream Purple, Violet AB, Rainbow Black, Misty Coral, Hot Pink Shimmer, Cherry Blossom, Mirage Blue Zircon, Aquamarine AB, and a 20-ounce tumbler. Wow. On the back side, you can find inspiration for your tumbler. These images are shown for inspiration only. Use your Bling Box projects to create your own unique design. Share them with us on Facebook and Instagram. We have a pattern for a 20-ounce straight tumbler. We have a 20-ounce tumbler. And then let's see the stones. Wow, it's full. So we have Crystal AB, Jet Black, Crystal AB, and 2 crystal. So 2 Crystal AB, 2 Jet Black, and 2 crystal and SS20s. Then we have Mirage Blue Zircon, Mystique Coral, Cherry Blossom, Aquamarine AB, Hot Pink Shimmer, Rainbow Black, Violet AB, Crystal AB, Dream Purple, Crystal, Jet Black, and Blue Zircon. You also will find one of our collector pins. So this August Bling Box is full of goodies, sparkle. You have a straight tumbler here. It's going to make such a cute tumbler with this cushion pattern. So we can't wait to see what you create with your Bling Box. Make sure to tag us so that we can share your creations. Have a great day.